Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy here. I thought you might like to see our little church, the Sardis. And we're in Butler County, just outside Crenshaw County. And here's the sanctuary. And you can see how pretty it is with all the lights. This building is 100 years old last fall. And the acoustics in here are just perfect. There's Neil up front there. The congregation here is 150 years old. It's a very simple church, and you should hear it in here when someone sings. It's just absolutely beautiful. And everything was redone last year for the 100-year anniversary. And up in front, there's a little pulpit there and place for the choir. And there's Neil. And there's a piano there. It's just a beautiful church. And back here is a older part of it's a newer part of the building, isn't it, honey? Newer, yeah. Back here, there's a little entryway here, and there's a kitchen in the back where we meet sometimes for fellowship. And I'm just about out of battery, so we're going to finish over here back in the sanctuary. And it's a beautiful church, and we need a new pastor. So if you want to build a church, this is a nice place to do it at Sardis. And thank you, and bye-bye.